Hi everyone. So for my ISTE standard, I chose standard 6A Creative Communicator. This standard states students to choose the appropriate platforms and tools for meeting the desired objectives of their creation or communication. So I wanted to go into what it teaches students. So as I did, oops, so what I learned is that it teaches students to be able to have freedom to choose how to present what they learn. So they could be using something like a Prezi to share with everyone that they've learned. It gives them creative options. There's many tools out there that teachers are able to use to have them express whatever they learned or made. There is more than one way of doing something, and creative power is used as students face interesting challenges and figure out how to meet them. How it can be implemented. There are two different ways that I thought that it could be implemented is choice and critique. So choice obviously allowing students to choose options to choose. So there's, like I said, so many different platforms out there that we can have our students be using to be creative communicators. And then critique. Sharing what is created for others to see and get feedback on to them make improvements. So they can be sharing with people, and people up and around the world can be seeing what they've made, so then they can better it. And finally, sorry guys. There we go. Why it is the best. This is the best standard because it comes in natural to children. Our students are in a constant state of stimulation and need to have the ability to be creative. Our students are also natural producers and consumers of creative processes and everything, and of these technologies that are available to them. Students are natural problem solvers, and this comes from doing creative projects, so they have to problem solve a way to create something, and it just, like I said, comes natural to them. So that's why I think standard 6A Creative Communicators is the best standard. Thanks.